Marie. Marie. Come here. Stand over here and watch. That baby's fixing to fly. She got up there. You know, one flew just a minute ago. Watch it. Here's the daddy coming back. She's going to try to get it. I bet this is that other little baby. It just flew right there. Watch him, Luke. She's fixing to go. There she goes. Watch her. There she went. We both got to see her fly away. Now, this other one that just come back has got to be the one that just flew a second ago. She just came back. This other one's getting up there. She's wanting to fly too.
I think they're flying around in front of them to show them how to do it.
They are. They're all coming around trying to help her. This one here has got to be one of the babies that came back. She just, look at her, she don't know how to do it too good. Watch her. She can't figure out how to do it. She's having a hard time getting back in. That's one of the babies coming back to the nest. And she's telling the other one, come on, let's go. See, she's hanging on the side. She don't hardly know how to hang on. Watch her. There she goes.
She might not want to go because she's probably the youngest.
She is the youngest, yeah. She said, y'all feed me. Don't make me fly by myself.
Did you know only 1% of supplements have earned the USC mark?
But I actually got to see her fly away by with my eyes, and I got the camera at the same time. But there was other birds up there said, you know, if you didn't know what was going on, you wouldn't know. But I know what happened. So there's one that hadn't left the nest yet. Them other two that are on the nest right now, they're the ones that just left and they come back for a minute. You know what, Marie? There they go. They both went. That's where they go to. One went to a wire and one went to the tree. So we got one baby in there by herself right now. Uh-oh, she's fixing to go. She's fixing to go.
For my party, I rely on Almay. New Almay and N-Glycol, perfectly coordinated shades for my able eyes. So easy to choose, so easy to use. He's got a diet. Almay, the American love.
There she goes, Marie. There she went. She landed on the electrical wire up there. What made her want to do that, I don't know, but she went up there and landed on the electrical wire. But they all flew out this morning, didn't they?